Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow extensions or add-ons in private windows in Firefox browser. By default, extensions or add-ons in Firefox browser works in normal window that you visit regularly. In case you want to allow any extensions in private or incognito window in Firefox, you need to change the settings of that add-ons. To do that, first open Firefox browser, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Add-ons and Themes. Under Add-ons and Themes page, you will see Manage your extensions, and under this one, all enabled extensions will be available under this one section. Click on the add-on you want to allow in incognito window. Now scroll down and you will find Run in private windows option. Here you need to select this one option, allow. After that, close this one tab, and that particular add-ons will be available in private window also. To open a private window, just after opening this one browser Firefox, right click on the browser icon on the taskbar, and here you will find this one option, new private window. Like this, you can open private window and allow any extensions or add-ons in private window. That's all about this video. Bye.